Welcome to the STilco Precision channel. With many years experience with flooring installation and remodeling stairs, we find the most practical solution to improve and speed installation and avoid mistakes. Also using our tool for projects. Our tool is called STilco Precision tool. It's scribing tool. It's very handful and we're using around the stone fireplace, sharpen goals, run steps, run walls, run nosing, any object require scribing. Also, we do remodeling staircases. We will be posting often videos that will help your project. Subscribe to our channel and we'll be up to date with our posting tips, tricks, and tutorials, so you'll have access wherever you need. Today we're showing you installing the Click Engineering floor. The Click Engineering system is very easy. Our click is dropping click, so long size is the click and short is the drop. Our drop is from the right, so each line we have to start from the right. So we choose the wall where we're starting, so all the working objects require to like difficulty will be on the right side. So our fireplace on the right side from the starting point. I want to tell you why is that. It's always easy when you start installing rows from the difficult control. When you start installing from difficult control, only need tracing, cutting, and fitting. So it's easy. When you finish now on the difficult control require length measurement, tracing, cutting, it's really difficult to do that. And it's very difficult to insert the board and position. Prepare your subfloor with self-leveling cement, so make sure it stands for manufacturer requirement. Also losing subfloor, make sure it's support, so it's not movement. So like I said, the big room is so easy. We did the big room and we need to connect to the small room. So we're making like temporary line to get guidance for the first board. We need to be traced and cut around the stone fireplace. So we put the board in position. We prepare a tool for tracing, and please follow the our instruction for tracing. It's so simple and easy. I'm starting to do tracing. And also I just leave it 1/8 expansion gap around the stone fireplace, which manufacturer requirement on this product. So I follow the manufacturer instruction. Everything's ready for me for cutting. Make sure your line is straight with another room. So check, you can use the chalk line or laser and be sure line is straight. Have everything ready, just need to cut and fitting. So I'm done putting together, and I'm gonna do another board using our tool. It's just scribing. You can scribe a few boards on the one time, and you go to the cutting machine and cutting a couple boards in once. It's It's so simple and easy, don't you think? I have done one side of the fireplace. Now I'm getting to the other side, which I repeat the same as before. Same thing, tracing, cutting, and fitting. It's so simple. So fireplace is done. It looks beautiful. Customer happy. I'm happy. Fast. Project is done in a few hours. I did the steps using this same material, and future video I will show you how to do the step on my way. So future projects, I'll be posting more videos around the fireplace and stuff which is difficult to work with. So please subscribe our channel. See you next time. Thank you for watching.